Good morning, everyone. Today, our discussion topic is the difference between differential cost, opportunity cost, and sunk cost. These three terms are basically interrelated to each other, but there is slight differences between the both of these three terms. So we will look at. I will try to explain it a little easier way to make you understand the basic difference between these three. So first of all, we will discuss what is differential cost. Differential cost is come from the word difference, which means to differentiate between two things, two alternatives, two points. So differential cost is the difference in cost between any two alternatives is called the differential cost. Differential cost is basically determined by doing cost and benefit analysis. When we analyze the cost of one product and the benefit of that product, and then we analyze the cost of second product and the benefit of second product, then we will come to the conclusion that what is our differential cost. Either we go with our first product and we buy it, or we go with the second product and buy the second product. So it depends on the mentality, on the decision making power of the customer, that either he go with the first product or go with the second product. Some people are price sensitive, cost sensitive, so they buy the cheap products instead of the high benefits of the product of the other product. So they are basically cost effective products, and they do not buy the product which is of high prices. So basically differential cost depend on the mentality, on the decision making of the customer. Is the difference between the prices of two alternatives. For example, the prices of iPhone and the prices of Oppo, Huawei and Samsung are far different from each other, and their benefits are also different from each other. The benefits which is provided by iPhone can be not be provided by the Samsung. It means that they have differential cost, and customer buy, instead of buying iPhone, customer buy Samsung because of their low purchasing power, because of their mentality that they buy cheaper products, not very high price products. Whereas some people who prefer high quality, high benefits, so they prefer iPhone, not Samsung. So this is basically differential cost. There is two type of differential cost basically. First is incremental cost, and the next is decremental cost. Okay, the alternative which has high price than the other alternative is called incremental cost. For instance, I will take the first example as I have given to you in the above heading, that iPhone has high price than Samsung. It means iPhone has incremental cost. If they are charging high price, it means they have spent much on their software, on their product manufacturing, on their product display, on their product feature. It means they have used incremental cost. Their alternative has high price than any other alternative, any other substitute of the market. So iPhone has incremental cost as compared to Samsung. Next is decremental cost. It is the opposite of incremental cost. Basically, in decremental cost, the alternative which has low price than the other alternative is called decremental cost. For example, Samsung has low price, low cost than iPhone. It means that the Samsung is focusing on decremental cost. They are focusing on decreasing their product cost in order to sell their products to the price sensitive customers. Okay. Our next is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is nothing but the potential benefit which is given up between two alternatives is called opportunity cost. It means that the potential benefit which we give up which we leave in order to choose an alternative is called opportunity cost. For example, I have two opportunities, either to join an organization which give me $50,000, or either to join an organization which give me $25,000. So I leave the $50,000 job due to high distance, due to more distance from my house, and I prefer my home city job due to my family. So it is basically opportunity cost. I have left the job of $50,000 in order to sustain, in order to live in my city, in my home, in my city people. So it is basically the opportunity cost. Another example may be like this: if we are going to buy a product, and we have amount to, we have the purchasing power to, but we buy cheap product instead of expensive product, it means we have used our opportunity cost. We have left the best alternative in order to take the other alternative according to our purchasing power. It is basically opportunity cost. Similarly, if we have just passed our intermediate and we have two or three options, either to join medical field, either to join in engineering field, either to come into the business field, BB honors, MBA. So we have joined BB honors and left the engineering field, left the medical field. It is basically opportunity cost. Our third heading of today's lecture is sunk cost. What is a sunk cost? As its name implies, that the word sunk means the cost has been sunk, has been dropped, we are in the loss condition basically. For example, the sunk cost, I read the definition: the cost which has been incurred and we do not get any benefit from that cost is called the sunk cost. It means cost is incurred, we bear the cost and we do not receive any benefit from it. For example, we have invested our amount 50,000 in a share market, and the prices of shares has been fallen, and our cost, our expense, our amount is dropped, our amount is sunk in that market. So it is basically sunk cost. So it is basically sunk cost. We do not get any benefit from it. Instead of getting benefit, we come into loss condition. It is sunk cost. We do not get any benefit from our investment or from our cost. So that's all for now. Keep watching my YouTube channel and keep and click the bell icon and keep watching my YouTube channels. And that's all for now. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.